recently in a plug for the book, I was so honored to be on the Michael Smerconish program, which is on Sirius XM. It's a show I listen to all the time. It's political radio, but he does love wine. And I sent him a book and he was gracious enough to allow me to appear. Well, one of the questions he asked me really surprised me because I thought most people knew this, but I guess they don't. So I wanted to make a tip out of it, which is the following. If you get a bottle of wine sent to you and you open it or you buy it, it's a nice bottle of wine and it's something that you have been saving, and you open it and it is just simply horrible. And let me be clear, I'm not talking about something that's like 20 years old that you've been saving that long, but it's something that you just got from the winery and it is simply horrible or skunked or bad. Guess what? You can call the winery directly, tell them about your experience, and they will send you a fresh bottle or 2 fresh bottles or a case or whatever went wrong. It is their job and it is their joy and pleasure to present you with their best version of the wine. If you pour a glass and it is not good, they do not want you to have that experience. Don't be shy about calling a winery or sending an email and saying, this lovely bottle of wine that I got, that I spent a lot of money on, is not good. Is there any way that you could send me a replacement bottle? You can do this, and you shouldn't be afraid. Just as you would send a bad bottle back at a restaurant, if someone sends you a bad bottle that you ordered from a winery, call them and get some fresh bottles. If not for you, then at least let them know. It's a kind of a favor for them to let them know that they've sent you out wine that might not be fresh. They may have to taste it again. So get your wine, get what you want. Do not accept yucky wine no matter where, and everyone will be happy and better for the experience.